Welcome back to the Beyond Real Estate Kitchen. Today we're going to bake an apple pie. Peeling our apples, which I'm almost done with this. My handy dandy little $3 peeler that I love. Then we're going to chop them. I've got most of them chopped. This apple pie recipe has 3 ingredients. It has apples, sugar, and cinnamon. That's it. That's absolutely it. Start with 3/4 of a cup of sugar. I do not measure the cinnamon. I just get it to a certain color that I want. You mix this all together. Kind of the color I like them, maybe a hair lighter, but that's it. So one of the things I do, I'm going to cook an apple pie. I cannot stand soggy bottoms of fruit pies, so I use something called a crust dust. So once I get my top crust rolled out here, I'll show you exactly what I mean. I made the dough last night, and we're just going to roll it out. But one of the tips about rolling out your dough is to only roll one direction. You don't roll back and forth. You just roll one direction each side. I try to keep it even, so I kind of get it round and not oblong. Nice. I'm going to take this crust dust, and all this is, the first thing I do is I heat a cookie sheet or a jelly roll pan in the oven for baking, and I start at 400 for the first 20 minutes, 15 minutes, but this is called crust dust. So this, I take and dust all over the bottom of the crust because I don't want the moisture from the, and all this is it's 1-to-1 sugar and flour. Pour our apples in. We're going to take and roll this up on our rolling pin. So put it on top of our pie. Whoop. And we have a pie. So we always got to vent a pie. So we're going to cut our little holes in it. We're going to get it started. Again, we're going to do 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Then we're going to turn it down to 350 and cook it for 25 minutes. Okay, this is done. All nice and brown. Like, comment, apple pie, and share our videos, and enjoy the season.